Hi, give me 1 second. Mama jerk. Is it good? Do we have the money? Do I get my money in advance? I'm gonna give it here. All right, go ahead.
What's your name?
My name's Dingle, sir, the third.
How long have you been working here at Downward Dogs?
About 75 and a half years. On the dot, actually, today, if you were asking.
Okay. What do you do here?
The question isn't what I do here, it's what I don't do here. My job is basically to have a good time. I teach people, I mentor people, I help them with personal problems. Like for example, Dangle, he had this nasty ass toe fungus. I helped him scoop that right out, it was real nice. Also I instruct a lot. I'd like to call myself an aficionado of instructing, because I'm like the Regis Philbin of it, if you would. And I have a lot of catchphrases. Hepatitis, see you later, that one. That's about it, actually, that's what I do. I think of it. Next question.
What made you follow the path of being done?
Well, thank you for questioning, Dan. Can I call you Dan? I'm gonna call you Dan.
Okay.
So, that's a beautiful question, actually. And many people ask me that. I was gonna be a Marine, but they said my urine sample was donkey urine. I don't know how they got it, but it was donkey urine. I did like shooting shit, so that's part of the reason I wanted to be a Marine. Also, the in the movie, they like the Vietnam, those are nice. I like those. All right, go ahead.
You do realize that the Vietnam War ended.
Hey, well, guess what? I'm living in my own reality. Okay, bud? So.
Next question.
All right, go ahead. Next question.
How's the work environment here?
The work environment is perfect. Actually, I put together a code of conduct for this actual work environment. And if you want to check our website, you can check our website. It'll be a work environment there. It's very happy. I have 30% Rotten Tomatoes for our work environment. So it's actually very great. Come on by. Not accepting applications though, sadly, time. You have to be initiated in.
So are you married?
That's a funny story, actually. It was a gloomy night. April 23rd, 2016. Karen, my love, we're on a beach. I knelt down and I said, you know what, Karen? I'd love nothing more to get in your pants for the rest of my life. But Karen said, F you. I'm going with Bob. He has a car and a real job. Well, guess what, Bob? This is a real job, so F you. Anyway, next question, you dingle stick.
That's all.
No, F you. Ask me another question.
That's it.
Ask me another question.
Please.
I swear to God, I will F you up. I swear to God. I swear to God.
What's your name?
My name is Dangle.
How long have you been working here at Downward Dogs?
I have been working here for 2 years now.
What do you do here?
I am the H2O hydration specialist, and I am also one of the teachers.
What made you want to come work here at Downward Dogs?
The thing that made me come work down here was my best bud. Actually, he started up this program, so I was like, hey, I'll jump aboard.
How's the work environment here?
Work environment, it's A-okay.
Now, I'm sorry, you didn't put this on the sheet, but what gender are you?
I actually, I'm neither male or female. I'm more of a rich cracker, if you will.
All right. Now, one last question. Do you guys prohibit the use of drugs like steroids and all of that?
No, we do not. Okay, well, anyway.
That'll be all.
Okay, thank you.
How long have you been working here at Downward Dogs?
I've been working here for a week and a half, I think. I don't know.
All right, well, first of all, don't cut me off when I'm talking. All right.
Why?
Also,
Why shouldn't I?
what do you do here?
I'm part-time janitor and instructor, I think. And
What made you
I wasn't done. Did I say to talk? No. So don't talk.
Okay.
Right.
What
You
made
can
you
talk
follow
now.
this path?
I don't know. I just really like teaching people how to do stuff. Yeah.
How's the work environment here?
The work environment is happy. It's really happy and good here.
And one last question. Are you a disappointment to your parents?
I don't think I am, but everyone else says I am, including my parents and my sister, and my aunt, uncles, and everybody else, and God.
All right, that'll be all.
And, okay, and Satan too. And yeah.
Didn't see you there. The hair downward doggy. We have great places. I want to show you around our facility a little bit. Come on with me. It's kind of like an MTV craze, real bad. This is Dongle. He doesn't know what he's doing yet. He doesn't know what he's doing yet. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. We got therapy going on every day. These are the pull-up bars. Get the f*** off me. We got the pull-up bars right here to do pull-ups. You know, real good pull-ups out here. We do good pull-ups out here. Keep it on. This is Dangle. He doesn't know what he's doing yet. Right, Dangle? These are our bars. People study here. We have study time because we believe in the adolescent youth. Well, don't you know, little Timmy? Adolescent youth. Come on over here. I'm going to bring you over here. Don't get my over there. Over here. This is just a great spot. We get some fresh air every day. These are our bars that do bench presses and whatnots. Stop, stop, get off it, get off it, get off it. Dongle. Right here's a box for doing box jumps and whatnots. Right here is where big weight happens here. Big weight happens here. This is the gate. Right here, come on over here and I'm gonna show you our equipment. Come on faster a little bit, all right? You got legs, move. This is where we do bench press therapy and like that. Right here's what happens if you do something wrong. What's the rule?
Call you dad.
No. Okay, over here, we got people picking their teeth and shit. This is called the jammer. This is called the jammer. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do the jammer right here. Flexoral muscles. Flexoral muscles. Don't do nothing stupid. Don't do nothing stupid. Why not? Why not? Huh? Now right here is the weights. The weights we use. All right, now to wrap up the tour, I'm gonna take you on the most special spot in the waist. Out of here, Dangle. He looks like Dangle.
Dangle's more fast.
Right here's our ball pit. You know what I'm saying? This is where we do glowing. Get out of here, son of a. This is where we do. This. What do you
need to calm down.
What do you want?
Hey, take your breath.
What do you want?
I said you guys need to calm
Take
down.
your breaths. Your breaths.
Like this. Dingle.
Anyway, right here is where we have. Shut the up. This is where we do. This is where we do our glow in the dark balls. At the bottom is glow in the dark. When it gets dark, we do midnight dodgeball. We get the 10-pound ball, chuck it at some people, and hopefully they'll die. Now let's take you on outside. I want to show you the great outdoors. Put this right here so we can get back in here. Right here is where we do laps. Now laps are essential because you get in your position, you get up. I'm gonna break this down from a fundamental standpoint. You get your splits correct, you get down, and then you burst. That is essential. Right here is what we call tires. That's not what it's for. You flip them, you flip them, you flip them. You get these muscles. Excuse the interruption, let's get on out here. Excuse the interruption. Dingle, dongle, dangle. Get the out of here, we don't want you. Get out of here. Get out of here. This boy's been sucking on everyone's in the room. We kicked him out. We thought we got rid of you. Get out of here, you goofy hair. Anyway, what I really want to do is put a safe place for all types of people. And this year, then I don't want to have a safe place. Other than that, Come on down to Downward Doggies. We'll have a great, shut the f up. We'll have a great place here. In our hearts to yours. And remember, keep it doggy. How you doing? Welcome to, oh my God. Damn it! Oh. Well, you gotta put that goddamn scratch and sniff away before I scratch and sniff your Welcome to Downward Dogs. Here really I do warm up. You gotta warm up all the muscles before it can fully be limber. Alright, so let's start again. Go to your side. Keep going to your side. Other side.
This side?
I will slap you so hard. Now reach down. Now this is a nice environment. I'd like to let you know. We have dick shits. Now reach down. Now stretch. Can you grab your box, please? Grab your box. Alright, now stretch down. Now you're nice and warm on the part. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do body weight squats. Now the squat, the important is to get the knees out and feet in like this. Like that. Alright, you gotta make the face too. If you don't make the face, you're not warming anything up. Let's be honest, you gotta warm the cheeks up too. Yeah. Let's do it. Oh my God! Can you do something right for once? We needed the third one since Dangle died, he quit. So I need you to work. Okay. I am not paying, period. Okay? Alright? Okay? Alright? Let's go. Get the unicorn. Okay? These are mythical creatures, and we're doing mythical stretches. Get the unicorn. Don't forget the tail, alright? Switch it on. Oh, that's a good unicorn. Oh, that's a good unicorn. Gotta get the tail too, because the tail's, without a tail, a unicorn isn't a unicorn. Am I right? So the horn on the unicorn gets up, alright? A lot of things are getting up here, alright? Like the heat. This is called hot yoga. I swear to God. It should be hot with the 48 layers you have in your stomach. You can edit this out, right? Yeah, you're editing. God damn. Can you put like Regis Philbin's face on him so I will not punch the shit out of him right now? Because if he looks anymore, I'm gonna lose my I will run against that wall. Don't think I won't. If I get up, oh, you better watch your shit. You better watch your shit. All right, now let's get one last stretch. All right. I like to call this the palm dozer. I swear to God, everything. Do it again, see what happens. Do it again, see what. That's it. I swear. I swear to God.
All right, now
I swear to God. Listen here, right, son of a I'm not working here. My life. Get over here, you rascallion. We're over here. I'm over here. I'm hunting me some That's coming out of your paycheck, you son of a Aaron, why'd you leave me? All I did was want to have a job like Bob. Oh, fuck me right in the asshole, that hurt. Oh, well anyway, kids and coaches.
That concludes hot yoga. Thank you.